How to change language on Snapchat. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Snapchat, and once you do that, click on the Bitmoji or avatar at the top left corner. Then click on the settings gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you're here, you want to scroll down and click on language, and here you will be able to find a large list of languages that you can choose from. So in order for you to change the language, say for example to French, you just have to click on it and you will get this confirmation box that asks you, are you sure you want to change language? And it tells you that the app will restart with your new language settings. Click on change to confirm, and once you do that, you will see that the app language has been changed to whatever language you have chosen. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your Snapchat language. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.